The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Weber Ranch Vodka. The temperatures are heating up, and that means we'll need something refreshing to cool us down. Eamon Maloney and Tyler Smestad with Weber Ranch Vodka are here to introduce us to agave vodka. It's a concept I've never even heard before. So Eamon, we're starting with you. What makes Weber Ranch Vodka different than other vodkas?
Thanks, Rosie. So Weber Ranch Vodka, what makes us different than other vodkas is that we're the first and only vodka distilled from 100% Blue Weber agave.
Yeah, I didn't know that this was possible, but you actually have some cool science behind it. Anything can become a vodka.
Correct.
You just have to treat it right.
Correct. So there's a lot of different ways to make vodka from different, potatoes, wheat, corn, rice, grapes, cactus, and now agave. The trick is, can you get it to distill to 190 proof? And once you get it there, you're considered a neutral grain spirit, aka vodka.
And Tyler, I know that you guys at Chalmers work with Weber Ranch Vodka a lot. Let's talk about the best way to mix Weber Ranch Vodka.
Well, so what's unique about it, like he was saying, is that it is blue agave based. So you can do basically classic blue agave, think margarita, like anything kind of tequila based, or vodka. Yeah.
And you've got a couple of cocktails to show us today. The first one is a Moscow Mule.
Yeah. So we're just going to do a very simple Weber Ranch Moscow Mule. Eamon was really nice to bring in a nice copper cup for us. You're going to do basically just 1.25 ounces of your Weber Ranch. You're going to do about a 1/2 ounce of lime juice that we've got here, and this is just fresh lime juice. Set your stuff this side. You're going to pour your ginger beer on top. You can finish with a lime wedge if you want, but that's why we use the fresh lime juice. Give it a nice little stir.
Just the sound of the carbonation sounds so refreshing, doesn't it?
And there you go. That's just a fantastic traditional Moscow Mule made with Weber Ranch. So we're gonna go the same spirit level. So you're gonna go 1.25 ounces of your Weber Ranch vodka here. So we brought some jalapeno bitters here. Make sure it's nice and mixed up.
Yummy.
We're gonna do about, for our spice level, about 7 dashes. So just 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're gonna toss lime juice in here. So we're gonna do 1.5 ounces actually. You're just gonna top with your whatever soda water you got. We're using Rambler here, but it's kind of whatever you prefer. Give it a good little stir. Make sure you're getting all the ingredients mixed together. There you go. Fantastic, spicy vodka cocktail, but you get a tequila finish to it. So.
And I can say I can smell the jalapeno from here, and I love jalapeno in a drink, so that sounds really great. Well, guys, this opened up my brain to a whole new way of thinking about cocktails today. I really appreciate your time. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you so much, Rosie.
Appreciate it.
Get recipes or find locations to purchase bottles online at weberranch.com. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Weber Ranch Vodka.